What's up, you guys? Stealthy RS here, once again with another video just for you. Today we're doing an install on the Focus RS, and we are getting the baffle plate installed, or the breather plate. Either one, it's called the same thing. So as you see, the manifold is halfway off currently. Just working on it. Alright, you guys, we do have the manifold off. Time to change out the baffle plate. Right down here. Let's get it. Alright, we got that baffle plate off. Time to get the new one installed. So we dropped some bolts, but that's okay because we're taking off the underbelly anyhow, because we are installing the rear motor mount next, which will be in a separate video, so make sure you stay tuned to that. So we ran into a little bit of an issue. We dropped one of the bolts from the manifold. It's somewhere in the bumper. Unfortunately, we may have to take that bumper off. We can't get it. Well, it looks like he got it, so good deal. Alright guys, so the intake manifold is going back on currently. Breather plate, it's a pretty simple install, except for the fact that we dropped some bolts. Alright you guys, we got everything buttoned back up, so that's it for the Mountune breather plate. Next up is going to be the radium catch can system. However, I wish I had both pieces of the radium catch can here. However, I am missing one of them. So as soon as that comes in, we'll be tearing the manifold back apart just so we can install it. So we got the breather plate in place, so I'm happy about that. Now it's just time to, I guess, conclude this video. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you leave that thumbs up, drop your comments in the comment section below, and of course, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.